Somebody's angry. I hope I got that on tape. Okay, let's start this over again. Hi, my name is Teresa. I hope you're having a swell day. My day consisted of a homeless man bumping his ass into mine, so. Hi.
Food?
Yeah, coming.
Okay. I thought you didn't like cuties.
I don't eat that.
Who eats them?
Alex does.
How do you not like those?
Because it's fucking gross.
No, it's not. I like them, but we have the other ones upstairs. Cuties. No, not cuties, the other one, but anyway, they're still good.
Okay, we're gonna have to do this in a couple of parts here. So hi, my name is Teresa. That was my mom. The joys of living in a row house where she is my neighbor from upstairs. Today we're actually going to be talking about the Kat Von D Divine palette. I will show the palette and all the theatrics in a moment, but I rushed home because I went to the office with this eyeshadow palette and I did a weird Swamp Thing soiree on my eyes. Nobody said anything. My boss did look at me though and she was like, so I don't know if that was like a or like the memo is going to come out next week about how you can't do that. I don't know. But in any case, I've been playing around the palette for a couple of weeks now and it's really cool and I've kind of come up with a couple different looks. So I think for this video, what I would like to do is do a look that is good for the office, not this, just like a normal, nice, non-Mimi Bobak look. And then of course a crazy look, like a divine look. But keep in mind, I am not a professional makeup artist. I am self-taught. I watch a lot of YouTube. So I don't know. Let's dive in together and let's figure it out. But yeah, so sit back, enjoy, and I will be right back with the palette and we'll get started on the first look. Thanks. I don't know why I said thanks. This is going to be a long process. So yeah. Okay, bye. I don't know why I did that because I feel like everybody in their YouTube has done that. Oh my god, it's eyes. Okay, so hi y'all. Welcome back. Clean my face off. This is what I look like. Usually people that see this are usually very close to me. So the fact that I'm sharing this with everybody. Hi, this is what I look like. Great. Okay, so this is the Kat Von D Divine palette, like I mentioned previously. And as you can see, those are the colors. And I destroyed it, honestly. They're beautiful. And I think it took me a while to want to do like a full review on this palette, because I don't want to do just a first impression, because at the end of the day I want to see, like, you know, is this something which kind of has outrageous-ish colors? Like, is it really kind of good for an everyday wear? And I think, well, actually, let's take that back. Let me hold my thoughts and I'll tell you at the end of the video. That's how I catfish you, right? So let's start with our first look, which is going to be a normal everyday look that you can achieve with this palette. And I'm not going to use any of the palettes. Also, I, deep down inside, am a 14-year-old goth girl. So when I say like a normal everyday palette, it's normal everyday for me. Might not be for you, but that's why you're here, right? Okay, so let's just try to go in with this. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my God! It's amazing. I don't know, I felt like I had to do something. Okay, so after I did all of that eyeshadow, which took incredibly long, I had to put on a full face of makeup because I look like dog shit, which ironically enough is pretty much one of the things that kind of made her famous, was to eat dog shit. I totally think everyone should have this. It's not just only a really cool statement piece, but it's something that you can use every day, which I know, trust me, like, it looks very weird when you think about it, because you're like, bitch, are you for real? What? Am I gonna wear that fucking green in the office? Girl, I know, trust me. Actually, yeah, trust me. I really like this fucking palette. You should wear it. And bitch, you should wear some fucking lime green to the office. Fucking Joanne will like that look on you. Come on, please. I think this is really cool. And like I said before, you don't think it's going to be something that you can use every day, but you fucking can. I will say these are my cons. Cons. I wish there was more transition shades. I feel like there was really no transition shades at all. So it was a little difficult sometimes trying to think of what I was going to do. And kind of, I hate starting off dark and then working my way back, because that can be a little bit difficult. So I would say that's my biggest complaint. This shade, Babs, very pretty. I don't even think you can kind of really see it in film. On film. I don't think you could see it in the camera, but it's like a very pale gold yellow shade, and if you have like a dry brush, it doesn't have the same like the same pigment. I don't know, my fucking Alex. It doesn't have the same kind of pigment if you had something with like a Fix Plus, and then you could actually see the color shine. So today I actually didn't even use any Fix Plus, so to kind of just give you an idea of how pigmented these colors truly are. So I mean, I probably could have used some Fix Plus, but I don't know. I just wanted to, this lighting is kind of washing my ass out, but I don't know. There you go, right? I can assure you, if you were here in my living room, you could see like, oh bitch, I get you. I see. You don't really need Fix Plus. And probably the biggest complaint I have is the amount of fallout, especially with this shadow. Hairspray. And you can see that I dug my motherfucking brush into that bitch. My biggest tip for you is that if you are to buy this, if you are going to buy this palette, or if you own this palette, and you haven't really played with it yet, don't do your base first. Wait, do your eye makeup first and then your base, because girl, can I tell you, when I fucking did that, I did my whole base, got my whole shit, did everything, and then started doing my eyeshadow, fucking all the green and yellow fallout that I had. I looked like I had fucking cholera. It was so bad. It was a moment though. Like, I mean, I look pretty cool with cholera, but I don't think my boss would really like that, but that's neither here or there. So I would just, that would be my biggest suggestion. I've been playing it around for a couple of weeks now. And so this is not just like a first impression kind of look. This is more of like, I've been playing with it for weeks and using it at least a couple times a week to kind of do different looks. And I don't know, like, I think I'm happy with what I came up with. Like, I'll be very honest, like I prefer this side more because it's a more soft and demure and like, oh, you know, like, oh, the boys love me and I'm gonna get married one day. While this is more of like, take me to your leader so I can fuck him. And so I'm going to leave you with this quote. This is a quote that Divine made to a reporter when he talked about, I guess, when he ate dog shit on pink flamingos, for pink flamingos. I followed that dog around for 3 hours just zooming in on its asshole. And you know what? It's exactly what this palette is. A beautiful asshole. I think you should buy it. If you haven't already, fucking, I don't know what you're doing. Buy it. This is really cool. And it's a staple piece. It's something that you definitely could put on your vanity, or you could be like me and use the shit out of it. So, yeah. I don't know. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. It's been really fun to record it. I'm probably going to have Obviously more videos, less about dogs shitting and assholes and eating and all that stuff, but it's probably going to be all about dog shitting and eating assholes. Whatever, it's me. Anyway, thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.